Colors in the world of data. Quick overview. Colors serve as a tool for data visualization, enhancing clarity and comprehension. Each distinct color conveys unique information. The most important definitions. Color science. The scientific study of colors. It encompasses the sciences of lighting and optics, the measurement of light and color, the science of organ functions and psychological physics, color modeling and color vision, and color reproduction. Data visualization. The presentation of data in a beautifully styled and color-coordinated form, as opposed to scientific presentation methods that focus more on content than appearance. This field is gaining increasing interest among scientists, due to the prominence of visual data expression in visual media and social communication. The relationship between color science and data visualization is that colors are used to enhance the ability to understand data by distinguishing data, directing attention, and illustrating patterns. Meanings of the most common colors. The color black is often associated with mystery, fashion, elegance, and power. It can also be used to represent mysterious or strong data in data science. The color white is often associated with calmness, tranquility, peace, luxury, wealth, trust, and honesty. It can also be used to represent empty or incomplete data in data science. The color red is one of the oldest colors known to humans, symbolizing warmth, love, and strong emotions. It can also be used to highlight important data or to warn about dangerous values in data science. The color blue is one of the most popular and widespread colors in the world, symbolizing trust, responsibility, and relaxation. It can also be used to represent stable or reliable data in data science. The color yellow is often associated with optimism, joy, creativity, and warmth. It can also be used to represent positive or creative data in data science. The color green is often associated with balance, refreshment, tranquility, and harmony with the outside world. It can also be used to represent balanced or stable data in data science. The color orange is often associated with energy, warmth, and happiness. It can also be used to represent active or hot data in data science. The color purple is often associated with calmness, romance, imagination, spirituality, creativity, and a sense of greatness. It can also be used to represent romantic or creative data in data science. The color pink is often associated with sweetness, femininity, romanticism, innocence, and playfulness. It can also be used to represent compassion, nurturing, and love. Color modeling is using colors to represent data and information in a clear and consistent way. Color modeling is applied in various fields that involve colors, such as arts, design, and media. Color modeling helps different devices and software to communicate and exchange colors. The two basic types of color modeling: 1. Luminous color models, 2. Absorptive color models. Luminous color models. These models use light sources to create colors. They are used in devices that show colors, such as screens and theater. Examples are RGB, HSL, and HSV models. Absorptive color models. These models use white light to create colors. They are used in devices that print colors, such as paper and photos. Examples are CMYK and CIE models. Briefly, color models. These are methods to identify and represent colors with different parameters. An example of this is the RGB and HSL models. Color models help in understanding colors and their effect on perception and emotions. They also help in choosing and converting colors accurately and conservatively. The most important points that we should know: color science is closely related to data visualization. Colors play a crucial role in enhancing the comprehensibility and interpretation of data. By effectively using colors, we can guide the user's attention, highlight important data, and clarify patterns and trends. We must be cautious to ensure that the use of colors does not mislead users or cause data distortion. We discussed the close relationship between data visualization and color science. It is important to consider the use of color when visualizing data. Color science is a vast field, and when combined with data visualization, it can provide a deeper understanding of the data and make it easier to read. The end. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video is useful and enjoyable for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.